What are we making today?
The volcano, Mum.
Out of what?
Volcano, Mum.
There's an old expired Mercury. September 21st, 2024. Jeez, why do I have that? No, wait. Wait a minute. Here's one sheet of paper for you.
Okay, thanks, Dad.
Emby. There's one sheet of paper for you. Now start cutting them strips. Okay, cut them strips up. You remember how to cut them?
Yeah.
Okay, you do that. Don't know. Okay, go. Just like how Daddy did it. You're right, Emby. You got it. That's it. Oh, it's stuck. Nice and flush, Em. Yeah, nice and flush. Oh, that's all right. We can fix that.
Like that.
Okay.
I'm having a
Bit of trouble? Okay, Leon, so just lay that bit down and I'll show you what to do.
Okay. Oh, yeah. My turn.
Emby did pretty well. Did pretty good on your side, Em. Got it, Em? It's a sticky situation.
Yes, sticky situation.
Did you like that pun? Sticky, Em. Come on, you can do it.
Situation.
Yep. Come on, Em. Nice. Got it? Oh, it's sticky, guys.
Pretty sticky.
Got it, Em?
It's sticky situation.
Yeah. That's it.
Have
That's
it on
it.
there.
Have it on there.
Daddy, can I have more?
Hold on, wait for Leon to do.
It's okay.
You got it, buddy.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I'm taking ages.
Nice.
Daddy, can I have another one, please?
Nice.
This part. Done that.
Nice, guys.
Okay, Dad.
Looking good. Crumple him up in there. Crumple him up. Pack it inside.
I'm packing it inside here.
Oh, another one. Good job.
We did.
Yep. Another one.
It's fun.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Having fun with Daddy?
I want this one.
Yeah.
Daddy, can I
Yeah.
have one too?
Yeah, go.
Thank
Rip him up.
Okay.
Two
I want
more.
this one.
Yeah. Go. Rip it. Rip it off. Rip him off. Don't worry about it. Just rip him up. You gotta crumple it anyway. Oh, that's a big base. Woo!
Big bite.
Down in.
I'll get this one.
Okay, Leon got it. Wait, no, wait.
It's a big bite.
Okay, go. Crumple him up.
This is a big.
Couple more. Last one.
I want to do it.
Pack him in. There's some bits down there, Em, if you want to do them. Pack him in.
I'll put this one here.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay, I'm gonna do it like this.
Wait.
Huh? Okay. I'm going to put from the top to the bottom.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
For you, Leon.
Oh, for me.
Yeah.
Hey, can I say?
And I'll show you your one, Emby.
Did I say happy birthday?
Mm-hmm.
Is that my baby?
Pretty cool volcano so far, guys.
Yeah, it's pretty far.
Let's have a look at it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, Dad.
I know. Daddy happy. We've got our water mixture.
Can I do that?
Yeah, we're all going to do it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Don't know the exact ratio. Oh, whatever that was. Ready? Whoa, watch it. That's a lot, eh? Okay, mix it up.
Okay, we're mixing it.
Yeah.
This is fun.
Ooh, that looks good. Not too rough. That looks pretty good,
It's
eh?
like we're mixing milk.
Oh yeah, but don't drink this. This ain't milk.
We can't drink it.
Nah, don't drink it.
It's making
Ooh.
red.
Does it feel thick?
No.
Okay, hold on. Maybe a little bit more. Wait, stop. Okay, I think that's good.
It's thick enough.
Thickening it up. Is it getting thicker?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't know the right consistency, but whatever, Trevor.
Look, it moves in like ice.
Ice.
Ember, not too rough.
Yeah, don't want it to spill out the bowl.
Ember, not too rough. Just like this. It's like ice.
It's like milk, isn't it?
It's like ice. I can scoop it.
Yeah.
Like ice, Dad.
Ice?
Yeah.
Looks a bit like milk to me.
Yeah, it's a bit ice to me.
Oh, okay. That's fair enough, Em. Looking good.
It's pretty thick now.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Oh! Silly daddy.
Silly
Hold this, Leon. I gotta wipe it quick. You gotta hold it.
Okay. But
Oh, yeah, that's great.
it's great.
Okay, spoons on the side.
Sticky and
Slap him on.
gooey.
Make sure it's nice and flat.
I slapped it on there.
Actually, don't slap it on. Just place it on there.
Okay.
And get more paper. Ooh, he's having fun.
Yeah. What's this, Ember? There's another paper.
Oh, you got two.
Oh, it's ripped.
That's alright, darling. Just stick it back on still.
Stick it back
Nice and... Emmy, make it flat. Ember, make it flat on there. There you go. Nice, Leon. Ooh, how fun. Cover all the blue. That's alright. If it rips, it just looks like a real volcano.
Yeah.
Is that fun?
Right there.
Yeah. Nice, Emby.
This is the funnest part ever.
I know. Now, when that's drying, we'll go see Mummy on her break, okay? It should dry by then. Now, Emby, cover all the blue bits, okay? Not just one spot. Nice, Leon.
Let's put it all in. This is really fun, Daddy.
Yeah, sure.
You should have a go at this.
I already had a go. I'll let you all do it. That's alright. We can wash it off, Em.
Yeah. After that, we can wash our hands.
Hey, Emby, start spreading it around, okay?
looks like milk.
Down. Here.
Okay.
Yeah, sweet. Emby down here. Emby down here.
This is fun.
It's gonna look good, guys. It's gonna look real good. Down here. Good girl. That's it.
I dropped it.
That's alright, buddy.
Open it up.
It'll still work. Man, this is gonna be a cool volcano.
Yeah, this is gonna be.
Hold on, Leon.
What is it?
Nothing.
Why did you say hold on, Leon?
Emby. Thanks. On this side here.
Hey,
You're doing too.
red.
That's alright. You can stick that a little bit on. Okay, let me just switch it around. There we go. Looking good. Yep. Cool.
It's gonna be the best volcano.
I think so. Okay. I'll tell you later. Look at that volcano.
Yeah, where's my another one?
Oh, you need more paper?
Yeah.
And then I'm going to give Emby a bit of paper, okay?
Okay.
Here, Em.
Thanks, Dad.
Can you do towards the bottom, Emby?
Yes, Dad.
No worries.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna do this one.
Oh, it's a big one.
I'm
You can rip him up if you want.
No thanks.
Okay.
It's gonna take all the glue. It's gonna take
Oh.
all the. Look.
Oh, that's a big one, Leo.
Big
Ooh. Where's he going?
biggest boy.
Around the bottom. Oh, there. Okay.
Yeah.
Was that fun, kiddies? Oh. Letting it dry. Under the heater. Snack break.
What happened to her mom?
It's drying.
We can mix, Daddy. We can mix the
We don't have white paint, that's why.
black.
We got black. But anyways, it's dry now, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna paint it.
It's
Time to paint it. Careful. It's still a bit soft.
Oh.
Okay. Nice. Yeah. How about we mix it?
Yeah, with the red paint.
Now the red's for the lava.
Oh, okay. We don't have any orange paint.
Well, to get orange, you gotta mix red and yellow, right?
Okay.
Let's try this first. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Let's mix it around.
Why?
Okay, ready?
And then do it like that.
That looks pretty good, guys. Let's go. Just get a little bit on first and then spread it around the paper. Remember mush him and spread him in? Exactly the same. That's it. Nice.
My side's pretty good, Daddy.
Yeah. Now remember, don't paint the same spot once. You got to spread it out.
Okay.
Over here, Leo. Over here. Spread it all out. Oh, it looks good already.
It's like Nutella.
Don't eat it though, okay? Emby?
Daddy, it's like Nutella.
It is, isn't it? So work from the bottom up, guys, I reckon. Don't forget these empty spaces here. Emby, stop first. Stop. Stop. Start spreading it around. No more dipping, okay? Spread it around. You got plenty of paint on your brush. Okay, Emby, down here, down here, down here. There's plenty of spots here. Not too hard. Emby, use the brush, not the handle. Good girl. Nice and softly, Em. Nice and easy. That's enough paint. Leon, get these bits down here, bud.
Okay.
Emby, more space. More here.
Is it starting to look good already?
It's looking great. That's it, Em. Okay, Emby, go on the other side now. Leon, go on the other side too. You have to put a lot here. Watch what you're doing, Em. No more dipping, no more dipping. No more, Em. You've got plenty of paint on your brush. I'm going to show you. I'll show you, look. You got so much on there. See? You can actually paint a lot of things. See? You want to try the little brush, Emby? Okay. Yeah, you do the little brush.
And me and Dad will do the big one.
Well, we can switch. Get those little cracks and crevices, Emby. Like a Nutella volcano. Yeah, less on the top, more on the bottom, buddy. Imagine a volcano that shoots out Nutella.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be great? I'll be running after it with my toast.
Yeah, me too.
And my ice cream. Don't press too hard on the paper. Okay.
I never got to that thing.
Yeah.
Remember we go to the playing ground? We walked there.
That's right. We got more paint on the bottom. This is very painted very well now.
But we went to the mall.
We did go to the mall with me, and Mummy came and visited us on her work break.
Why?
Well, she's working near that mall. So I said, okay, me and the kiddies are here. I'm going to come out from work. She did. Nice job down here, Emby. There's lots down here to do. Good job. Remember not to touch the paint with your hands, just the paintbrush. Otherwise your hands will be brown.
Yeah, like this together.
That's right. Isn't this fun?
Yeah.
You guys have fun with Daddy?
Yeah. Yep.
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 Yep, Peruni.
Okay, look guys. There you go.
Oh, that looks good. That's pretty good. Yes, you darling. I'm gonna heat gun it. Oh yeah. It's ready. Heat gun. And dry it up. Looks really good, guys. Pretty good. Looks good. Okay, dip it in the orange and paint the, oops, sorry. Paint the glue.
We're gonna start with this one.
That's it.
This one's pretty long.
That looks alright, eh? Looks pretty good. You can do some lava trails flowing down, whatever you like. That looks good. What should we have for dinner, guys?
Spaghetti.
You want spaghetti?
I'm making lasagna. Daddy, we forgot to check on Lola and Lola's house.
We did. You guys were asleep. I just did it real quick.
Huh? Without us.
You were in the back of my car.
What?
And you're very sleepy. That looks great.
Good.
It's looking good. What a volcano. I think I'm gonna keep this forever, guys.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Because this is the best volcano.
You guys made the best volcano with Daddy. Very good details. That's very good brush handling, Em. And Leon's doing trickles of lava.
I'm doing lava trails.
Lava trickles, yep. Emby's doing, yeah, Emby's doing lava slides. Whatever you do, don't paint the dinosaur. And your finger.
It's okay, Dad.
Okay. You did it. It's looking good. Need some more on this side, Em.
Yeah, I'm sticking eggs in.
It's alright.
Lava trails.
Remember, we're doing trails, not the whole volcano, okay?
Yeah, I am not doing that. I'm not doing the whole volcano.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good enough.
Okay. There you go. Oh, that looks good.
That can go with the orange.
You want your chair? Yeah.
I think I can then
Okay.
ready.
Yeah.
Well, I want the orange.
Mm-hmm.
This can make yellow. Orange. This can make yellow. Orange. This can make orange. This can make yellow. 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 This can make yello
think orange and yellow make amber, isn't it?
Yeah.
What? No.
I can smell it. I can smell this earth. Daddy,
What?
you have so well here.
Jeez, that's looking really good.
Can I be a boss?
You gonna be a what?
A
A boss?
boss.
Yeah, of course.
Thanks.
So guys, you can either be a boss for a company or you can be the boss of a company. You guys done?
Yeah.
Can you tell me a little bit of what you've done?
Daddy, I'm not done
Can you
yet.
tell me a little bit of what you've done?
Daddy, I'm doing footprints.
Oh, that's clever.
What?
Dino footprints, Emby.
Oh, okay.
That's clever.
Daddy,
Yeah.
can you please get me some more red?
Okay.
I'll take it.
Do you want to try?
Yeah.
It's like a bit like toothpaste, alright? So not
Daddy,
too much.
I want some more.
Okay, you want to try? It's a bit like toothpaste, okay? Squeeze it out like tomato sauce. That's it. That'll do. That'll do. That'll do. That'll do, Leon. Can you help Emby with the lid, buddy? Oh, yeah.
I want to squeeze it.
Yeah, but let Emby squeeze it. Good job, big brother. What do you say, Emby?
Thank you.
Yeah, Emby, nice and easy, Emby. Nice and easy. That'll do. Good job. Good job. Alright, more footprints. I'll show you a technique. Can I show you a technique? Watch this. Put it down. Watch this. Dino footprints go like this. See?
Daddy, I know how
Try
to
that.
do that like that.
Yeah.
Big footprint.
Nice. Keep going.
Look, Daddy.
Nice. That's a big footprint.
Look at that. Daddy.
You having fun? Oh, looks like someone murdered the mustard.
Yeah, okay, Dad.
Daddy, I need more brush.
Where is your brush?
Finish.
Emby? Just don't touch anything. Wait for Daddy.
I'm gonna ask Mom.
Yeah, I'll wash you in the sink.
Hey, Mom. That's my book.
Yeah, Leon.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
Daddy, go somewhere else.
No, I
Whoa.
did not.
Go over there. Go. Don't worry about this.
Daddy, can you put it in there?
No. No paint in there.
Daddy, can I have it then?
Don't pour it in the hole. Don't pour it in the hole. Don't pour it in the hole. That'll do. Quick.
Papa,
Quick.
I want to jump.
Yeah, go on. Okay, Leon, Emby, go.
I'm satisfied.
And move over, Leon, so Emby can move in. And 1, 2, 3, volcano.
Volcano!
Go stand there, buddy.
Volcano!
Say parkour.
Volcano! Volcano!
Yes. I can't see it.
Closer.
Oh,
Okay.